Hi and welcome back to Rogers for one of our exciting looks at herbs and spices. Today we're looking at star anise. Star anise is a herb that comes from, or spice that comes from Vietnam or in the Asian area, and it's commonly and widely used in Indian and Asian cuisine. Very popular in curries and stews, casseroles and soups and things like that. It has an aniseed flavour or licoricey type flavour which is very strong, and it also has a very unique shape. At Mrs. Rogers we pack our star anise, but if you look at the shape of it, it's like a star with about 8 arms sticking out with seed pods. All our star anise is packed on site and put into the bags, and also we put into the boxes and label all the boxes, do everything on site here. Beside me I have Susanna. Susanna is one of our extremely good workers, and she is currently packing the star anise for us. Hello Susanna.
Hello, I'm Susanna. What I'm doing now is packing the product in the box. So what I have to do is I was just holding this one, and then I just put the recipe in it, and then I'll fold it, and then I'll put in the box like this. So I have to finish this one. This is how I do it, and then I'll put the product inside like this one. But it's pretty easy though, but depend on what kind of product I'm backing, and this is how I do it.
Thank you Susanna. As you can see, all our products are packed by hand with the individual love and care of all our staff members that work here. Most of our staff have been here for a reasonable period of time because they like the work environment and get on really well together. So we have a real family atmosphere at Rogers.
You can wrap it up.
Okay, so hope you enjoyed our look at star anise.